Okay, Samsung uses its Galaxy Note line to show the best it has to offer, making it a consistently great device for the power users. Not only that, it's still one of the only smartphones if you want a built-in stylish experience. Verizon CEO Hans Westberg has confirmed that the Galaxy Note 10 will feature 5G connectivity. It wasn't a secret that the Galaxy Note 10 would have 5G, but it's always good to have the confirmation. This year, Samsung did something different with its S series. Instead of just releasing a regular and a Plus model, we got 4 in the form of the S10, S10 Plus, S10e and the S10 5G. According to the report from ET News, we may see something similar with the Note 10. Ever since the first Galaxy Note was released in 2011, there has only been one version of the phone released at a given time. This year, however, Samsung might be looking to shake things up. According to the report from ET News, Samsung is planning on releasing as many as 4 different models of the Note 10. This includes the 2 LTE options with 6.28 inches of screen and another one with the 6.75 inches of screen and 2 5G ones. This would be one of the biggest changes we have ever seen to the Galaxy Note's release formula. But if it worked well for the Galaxy S10, which also got 4 models, it would make sense for Samsung to bring that over to the Note 10 too. As of now, we haven't seen any leaked renders that give us a real idea as to what the Galaxy Note 10 will look like. Even so, we can make some assumptions. For starters, it's safe to say that the Note 10 will have a hole punch cutout of some kind in its display to accommodate the front-facing cameras. This is something we saw on the Galaxy S10, so we expect it to carry over the Note 10 as well. A glass back also seems likely, seeing as how that's something Samsung's been doing since the Note 5. And we can also expect at least 3 rear cameras on the Note 10. Specifications for the Note 10 remain a mystery, but according to the design, we can safely make some assumptions. The Note 10 might be shipped with the Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, and maybe there will be 8 to 12 GB of RAM. Reports indicate that 2 of the Note 10 models will have display sizes of 6.28 inches and 6.75 inches, in addition to triple and quad camera setups on the back. Flagship smartphones have always been expensive, but in recent years, the price hikes seem to be happening more and more often. Here are the price of some past Galaxy Note phones. The Galaxy Note 5 was sold for $700. Coming to the Samsung Galaxy Note 7, the price of the Note 7 are $834. The Note 8 was sold for $930. And finally, talking about the Galaxy Note 9, the price tag of the Galaxy Note 9 is $1,000. For the Galaxy Note 10, we would imagine we will get a starting price of $1,000 again, with some of the other rumored models going for as much as $1,500, if not more. If you don't care about having the very latest and greatest, the Note 9 is a pretty great phone here in 2019. It's still plenty fast, has pretty great dual rear cameras, one of the best AMOLED displays around. The best part of the Note 9 is that you can buy the Samsung Galaxy Note 9 for the less money as compared to its original price tag of $1,000. Thank you so much for watching, guys. My name is Hamza and I'll catch you guys in the next one.